Hello, this video is going to cover how you assign a Google Doc inside a Writable assignment, how it looks for a student to use that Google Doc, and then finally how it looks when you grade. So let's say that I'm going to put a Google Doc inside this assignment. When I click Assign, I would choose my group, whether it be a group from Google Classroom or a group that I've created. This one's already live, so I'm just going to show you. When you click Assign, you will choose Google Doc. Google Docs are not recommended if you have a lot of students on iPads or iPhones. We can get those to work for you, but it would just require some settings in Safari to be changed, so contact us if you're interested. But generally, if you're using Google Docs, it works best for students who are on laptops or desktops. So you're going to choose Google Doc. And in this case, I'm also working with the Google Classroom group, so I'm going to make sure that I send this assignment to the Classroom stream. So once that happens, the student will come over to Google Classroom and they will see the assignment in their stream. They will access the assignment just right here from the stream post and read the description and launch into Writable directly from Google Classroom. And here you see that they can start to read and write in Writable. So where is the Google Doc? So first of all, this assignment, just to give you a quick overview, has a reading passage on the left. It has the prompt and some embedded video instruction in it. And then at the bottom, there's a graphic organizer and then the Google Doc. So this actual Google Doc is a live Google Doc. As the student writes, it's going directly to the Google Doc in Google Drive. They can go full screen in the Google Doc if they want to use voice to text or different add-ons that they like and enjoy in Google Docs. So this is the student's submission. They would write and it saves it automatically as they go. And when they're ready to submit, they would click this blue submit button. At the point they click this blue submit button, it's going to take this writing from the Google Doc and send it over to you as the teacher to grade. So let's hit submit. Now I'm going to go back in as a teacher and show you how it looks when I grade a submission that was in a Google Doc. So I'm always going to be grading in Writable. I don't need to grade inside Google Classroom or inside Google Docs. I'm going to grade in Writable, and then the grade goes back to Google Classroom. So I have one submission here that I can go into. And that Google Doc that the student just wrote in will show up right here. So, I'm grading with my rubrics and my comments that are stored. But the writing has been kind of pulled in from the Google Doc. So that, in a nutshell, is how Google Docs work inside Writable assignments.